In my previous video, I've shown you how to watch shorts in full screen from your computer. In the comments, somebody is asking, how could you watch YouTube shorts as a normal video on a phone or a tablet? Luckily, there are two ways you could do that. The first method, open YouTube app, go to the home tab, then select any normal video. Here you can see many options for that video. Scroll this to the right. Then you should see an option called Save. Tap on it. By default, it would save it to your last saved playlist. So you got to tap on Change. Then tap on Plus New Playlist. Give it a title. You could also change the privacy option from private, unlisted, or public. It doesn't matter. And then tap on Create to create this new playlist. Tap here to go back. Now tap on Shorts tab. Then go to the Shorts video that you want to watch as a normal video. Then tap on the three dots in here and then select Save to Playlist. In the list in here, you should see the playlist that you have just created. So tap on it to add these shorts to that playlist. In the similar way, you could add a few more shorts videos to the same playlist. Tap on Library under the section called Playlists. Find the recently created playlist, select it. Here you should see the shorts videos that we have just added. Now if you select any of these shorts videos, it will play as a normal video. In this way, you could move to any part of the video very easily. And most importantly, if you would tap on the gear icon in here, then you could select the quality, then select advanced, and then in this way you could force YouTube to play the highest quality for that short video. And if you would tap on here, you could watch the short video as a normal size video in full screen, and as it is in the playlist, the next video would automatically play. And here you also can see we get all the same options that we get for a normal video. And also you could make comments in the same way by tapping on Add a Comment and then write anything you want. As I promised, I'm gonna show you a second way, which is a quicker way, and it doesn't require you to create a new playlist. All you got to do is to go to the short videos that you want to watch as a normal video and then tap on the thumbs up button to like that video. In this way, you could add a few more videos to your liked playlist. And in a similar way, you need to go again to the library in here and find your liked videos playlist. And if you would tap on it, you could see the recently added shorts videos. Now, if you would select any of the shorts videos in here, it will start playing them as normal videos. In a similar way, you could get all the benefits of playing a normal video on your phone. Please let me know in the comments which of these two methods you prefer and why. You can find more relevant videos in the description and pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.